Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarrell. And in today's video, we're finally going to be talking about these quads right here from Natasha Denona. My honest opinions when I actually first heard about these quads, what my reaction was to them, and what is my opinion now that I have already used them, and do you really need them in your life? So yeah, we're going to get into all of that. And also I am going to recommend a couple of eyeshadow palettes just in case you guys want to skip on these quads right here from Natasha Denona. Totally understand. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. You can also like and comment down below, hype out this video, because that definitely helps me out so much. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I am going to show you how I created this look maybe at the end of the video, but I just really wanted to focus on these quads from Natasha Denona. Now, I absolutely love Natasha Denona so much. I think that she's just such a great makeup artist, and I love the way that she thinks when she puts things together like in a palette, and I absolutely love and miss so much her colorful palettes for sure. And I know that there is a lot of people just like me that are missing her colorful palettes. I'm actually thinking that she's going to come out with a quad with colors. That's what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking that she's changing her packagings to this little quads right here to match her dual blushes as well as her powders. Like everything has these type of packaging, which is not a square but more of this style. I don't know what shape this is, sorry. So I'm thinking that she's going towards that route. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking of. But anyways, I just wanted to come over here and just share my first impressions when I first heard about the Natasha Denona Luxe Glam compact eyeshadow palettes, and I was super hyped up, super happy, because I love eyeshadows. If you guys have been following me for quite some time, you guys know that I absolutely love eyeshadows. I love smoky looks, I love very dramatic looks, and I always play and review all of her palettes. And maybe this video is coming a little bit too late, but hey, who cares? Okay. I just wanted to put it out there for whoever actually wants to watch it and to see it. And I do gotta say, I'm going to show you a little bit of the swatches right here. I do gotta say that the swatches of these quads, absolutely stunning, like very nice, buttery. Like the formula from Natasha Denona is just on another level. Again, all of these shades are like shades that you can use every single day. Again, the swatches just speak for themselves. Like they are just so buttery, very nice. The darker shade in the nude and the cool palette, they do swatch a little bit patchy and you do have to build them out, but the way that they actually translate on the eyes, it's very workable, super easy, very easy to build up, very easy to blend. You know, whether you are a professional makeup artist or not, I think that these palettes are fantastic to use, very easy to understand it and to create a simple look for every single day. So when it comes to the quality, color story, formula, blendability, and all of that, it is fantastic. Absolutely 10 out of 10. Great Natasha Denona. But the one thing that it really hurt me is to pay for them. I do not get PR from Natasha Denona, and even if I was to get PR from Natasha Denona one day, it's very pricey for just a regular consumer. I am in shock of how expensive it was. I understand that the pants are bigger, but did we really ask for that? And also the fact that we cannot take the shadows like out like we have been able to do in her Midi palettes and her, you know, regular palettes as well, like the VISEART Glam palettes. She gave us that option that we can switch it around. As a working makeup artist, that is definitely something that I enjoy, having the option to do that. If I decide to just put a whole entire palette for my makeup kit together, I can have the option to do that. But unfortunately, we don't have magnetic eyeshadows on these quads right here. We are not able to take out the eyeshadows like we were able to do so with the other Midi palettes and her regular palettes. So that is a little bit like disappointing for me. What happened to her little 5-pan palettes, which everybody has been buying? She just wanted to change the component to it. She just wanted to make it a little bit more luxe. If that's what she wanted to do, I mean, you know, she can do whatever she wants. Of course, she is the owner of her own company, but I just didn't find it necessary for the price to be so expensive for something that she could have just put in the little 5-pan palette that she's been giving us. It's like $27 if I am not mistaken for those little 5-pan palettes. Yes, the packaging is not really nice. I mean, I'm going to put a picture of it right here. It is not very really luxe, but I do like it that it's see-through, that we can actually see the palettes and the color stories and all of that. This packaging, it's a little bit better. Yes, we do have a mirror and the sparkling, it's nice, but it's still plastic and it feels a little bit heavier, but it's not that heavy. So when it comes to the pricing, it was just like, why? You know, why are we paying more for something that we can already find within your collection? So that is just my take on the whole entire pricing from Natasha Denona. I mean, do I think that is worth it? That is really up to you. When it comes to the quality, I already mentioned to you, it's fantastic. I absolutely love the quality of these quads right here. They're really great, but it's really up to you what you decide to do. I'm not going to force you to buy these palettes. I will never force you to buy anything, period. But I just wanted to give you guys my honest opinion when it comes to these quads right here from Natasha Denona, and how sad and disappointed I was for the price. Just because $48 for a quad, it's a lot of money. And then as a makeup reviewer, I had to buy 3. So, you know, it's a lot. It's a lot. Okay, we paid for it if that's what we wish to do. You know, if we like it, this is what I do and this is what I want to continue on doing. So I am going to, of course, continue on buying products from Natasha Denona as long as you guys want me to review them. And I am going to give you my honest opinion, whether it's, you know, something that you agree with or not. This is just my opinion. And the fact that in some of these quads, we do also have some repeat shades is like, what? So some of these shades right here are in other palettes. I think the one that has the least repeat shades is this one right here, which is the rosy one. And believe it or not, this one was my favorite. I don't know why. The look that I created, it was so nice and beautiful and bridal. It was just so gorgeous. I absolutely love that. By the way, I do have shorts using all of these quads, so go ahead and check them out. I'm also going to try to link them down below just in case you guys want to watch them. But absolutely love this color story right here for every single day. This looks so nice, like very glam, very beautiful, like a princess. I love it. I think that this one right here is the shade that is just a repeat from the Love Face palette, and the other shades are brand new. But yeah, this one's right here. You can also find them in other palettes. They are scattered. They are not within the same palette. One shade is from one palette and the other shade is from another palette, so it's not within the same palette. That was another part that was a little bit disappointing. But yeah, so before I share some of my favorite palettes from Natasha Denona, let's go ahead and get into this eye look. I'm going to start with priming my eyes with my P. Louise base, then going in with the lightest shade in the nude palette, and I'm going to add it all over my crease as well as on my lower lashes. Then going in with a darker shade. I'm going to start in the outer corner, but I'm going to put it pretty much all over my eyelid, but not going too high up because we do need to blend it into the first shade, as you can see here. And then just blending is definitely key. Then going in with the cool palette in this glittery shade. Wanted a little bit more smokiness to it, so I'm taking the chocolate shade from the nude palette and just adding it right on top of it, going in with my blending brush one more time, and then tie lining, as you can see here, with this brown liner from Urban Decay, and then adding the same liner on my waterline, of course. And I'm going to go in with the nude palette in the chocolatey shade, the matte shade. I'm just going to smoke out my lower lashes and then just blending even it more with the lightest shade, then adding a little bit more of that cool tone brown shade in the outer corners, as you can see here. And then I'm going to clean things up, taking the lightest shade from the nude quad, and I'm just going to add it to my inner corner. Super nice and beautiful. Curl your lashes and then add mascara. All right, and now that you guys are back, let's go ahead and talk about the eyeshadow palettes that I absolutely adore so much. Let's go ahead and start with this one right here, which I don't think got a lot of hype. But this palette, especially if you are into like cool tones, like grayish, black, like very smoky, very nighttime appropriate, very mysterious kind of looks, then this palette right here, which is the XENON palette from Natasha Denona, is going to be the one for you. It is, yes, monochromatic. You can definitely have a lot of repetition when it comes to the looks that you create. The two shades that we have here, we have this one right here, has a silver and pink duochrome. This shade right here is actually in the XENON palette. This one, I do have them swatched right here. on my fingers is the same shade, as you can see, really nice and beautiful. But this palette not only has that beautiful shade that we now have on the quad, but it also has like a duochrome shade as well, which I absolutely adore so much. I think it is absolutely beautiful. It's like a pinky silver kind of shade. I don't know if the camera is actually showing it justice, but it's a pinky with a lilac-y, so it's like a trio chrome for sure. And then you do have these silver shades right here that are absolutely beautiful as well. Again, this palette was just one of my favorite to create that like smoky, very mysterious, very dramatic type of looks that I absolutely adore. And like being super cool tone, love that so much. So yeah, XENON palette for sure. Now, another palette that I really do enjoy from Natasha Denona is the Retro palette. I think that if you are into like really nice pinky mauve tones with a little bit of burgundy, this is definitely going to be your color story. And the one quad that is going to complement this palette very well, I think, is this one here, which is the ROSY palette. The ROSY palette is the one that has only one repeat shade, which is this one right here. And if you already have this palette, which is the Love Face palette, then you already have this shade. Oh my goodness, yes. I absolutely love this shade so much. Look at that. Same shade, absolutely buttery, very reflective, very pigmented. It is definitely more of that rosy peachiness. It is so beautiful. So if you already have the Love Face palette and you just wanted to get this quad because of that beautiful shade, then of course you can go ahead and skip it. But she did such a good job pairing it this time around with like dusty rose kind of shades versus like burgundy and hot pinks, which it was from the Face palette. I did really enjoy this palette overall. I think that I created beautiful looks. I do have a whole entire video with this palette, and it should be on my Natasha Denona playlist just in case you guys were interested. Out of the three, this one is definitely my favorite quad. I think that it's just so pretty on the eyes, very romantic. That's the word. Very romantic, and I love that so much. Perfect for like a bride for sure. This one is another palette that I absolutely love from Natasha Denona, which is the Golden palette. If you already had the Gold palette and the Metropolis palette, then you pretty much have this palette in one. I love this palette so much. It is super monochromatic. You can just create the most beautiful like golden kind of looks, but you can also make it a little bit more like cool tone. It is so beautiful. I love this palette so much. And like I was talking to you guys about earlier, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, like it's very reflective, but it does have like some holes. Let me just use a different palette. As you can see, this palette has holes on the back because you can actually push every single eyeshadow out of the palette and just create your own palette like that. So, you know, just keep that in mind that these quads do not have that. So I think that this quad, which is the new quad, is going to be a really nice, beautiful complement to the Golden palette. So I have two more palettes to share with you guys from Natasha Denona. I told you, I absolutely love Natasha Denona, but this one right here is the I Need a Warm palette. Now, if you are into your peachy tones, you want something that it's a little bit more like on the warmer side, you have your browns in here, you have pretty much every single shade that you can actually use, and some fun shades as well, because this one right here, it's a little bit more of a duochrome. It does have like some orange and a little bit of a golden shift to it. This is the perfect everyday palette. Like if you just want something that you can just put on your eyes for every single day to go to work, nothing too difficult to think about, all the shades pretty much just go together, and you do have those little pops of colors. Then this one right here, the I Need a Warm palette, is going to be your favorite one. This one right here, which is the new quad, can also be a nice complement with this palette as well. So the last palette is brand new, and it's because I repurchased it. The first palette that I bought, I decided to go ahead and disinfect it and put it in my makeup kit because that's how beautiful it is, that I saw myself using it in different people, and I could not just keep it in my makeup kit. I actually had to purchase one for me, and this is the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. This has got to be one of the most beautiful palettes from Natasha Denona. Absolutely love the glitter shades from this palette, the matte eyeshadows. The color story is just so nice. It does have a little bit of coolness, neutrals, and a little bit of warmth as well. Like, it is the most beautiful complementary palette for any skin tones that I have used it on. And I do see that the Cool Quad can be a really nice, beautiful complement to this palette. I hope that you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. And I do also see that there could be a couple of shades here in this palette that are very close to one another as well. So yeah, absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite palettes. I cannot wait to actually create some looks using this palette and just play with it on my off time. It doesn't have to be on camera. I absolutely love this palette. It was in the box. It was in my trying new makeup little box that I do have. But yeah, I'm going to take it out of there. I'm actually going to put it in my everyday drawer so that way I can remember to use it. But I absolutely love the I Need a Nude palette. It is absolutely perfection. But you guys, that is it for this video and me sharing some of my thoughts when it came to the new Natasha Denona quads. I hope that it was helpful for you guys, and I am so happy that I got to share some of my favorite Midi palettes from Natasha Denona. Remember that you do not have to get any of these quads. You can definitely find inspiration with the makeup that you already have at home. But if you decide to shop Natasha Denona's website, I do have a code which is Jarrell10. I am going to be linking everything down below in the description area. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I will see you next time.